Do you want to easily prepare creamy smoothies and a variety of recipes with a reliable blender? In this video, we present blenders that offer solid power, efficient blades, and simple operation. All the links are available in the description below. For successful daily use, it is important to choose a blender that suits your habits and is easy to clean. We have selected the 3 best blenders on the market. Press the like button and subscribe for more kitchen and home appliance comparisons. Here are the 3 best blenders, from the most affordable model to the most high-end option. First, the Nutribullet NBR0601WM Personal Blender is designed to make healthy living simple and convenient. Powered by a 600-watt motor, it quickly transforms fruits, vegetables, and liquids into smooth, nutrient-rich drinks in under a minute. Its intuitive push, twist, and blend operation makes daily use effortless, whether you're preparing a morning smoothie, protein shake, or fresh dressing. The 24-ounce cup is perfectly sized for single servings and includes a to-go lid for busy lifestyles. Compact and easy to store, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen. Cleanup is just as simple. The blending cups are top-rack dishwasher safe, and the extractor blade rinses clean with soap and water. Practical, efficient, and user-friendly, this blender delivers fast nutrition without the hassle. Next, the Black+Decker BL1230SG Power Crush Blender combines performance and simplicity for everyday kitchen tasks. Equipped with a 700-watt peak motor and Quad Pro 4-tip stainless steel blade technology, it creates a powerful vortex that pulls ingredients directly toward the blades for fast, consistent blending. With 4 speed settings, including pulse options, it easily handles smoothies, soups, purees, and even ice crushing. The durable 6-cup glass jar features a molded perfect pour spout for smooth, mess-free serving. Designed for convenience, all removable parts are dishwasher safe, and the easy clean function helps loosen stuck-on residue. From creamy shakes to icy drinks, this multifunction blender delivers reliable power and versatility in a sleek, practical design built for daily use. Finally, the Ninja BL610 Professional Blender offers powerful performance for families who want fast and efficient blending. Driven by a 1000-watt motor, it uses total crushing technology to pulverize ice, frozen fruit, and tough ingredients in seconds. The extra-large 72-ounce pitcher, with a 64-ounce maximum liquid capacity, makes it ideal for preparing smoothies and frozen drinks for the entire household. Its stacked blade assembly creates consistent, smooth results whether you're blending, pureeing, or crushing ice into snow-like texture. The BPA-free pitcher is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, and the included recipe guide provides inspiration for creative drinks and dishes. Combining strength, capacity, and simplicity, the BL610 delivers professional-level results at home. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.